Local farmers and experts believe that a red chili farming project launched under China-Pakistan Economic Corridor Framework will help the South Asian country's agriculture sector. Echoing the CPEC's cooperation in agriculture, China Machinery Engineering Corporation and Sichuan Litong Food Group established a company and carried out a red chili contract farming project in 2021. One of 6 model farms of the project is in Pakistan's eastern city of Multan.
实际我们对这个辣椒品种选育是非常慎重的，可以说把中国和巴基斯坦融入在一起。今年我们对辣度比较高的小椒又搞了17个品种。这个今年我们的种植面积呢，在这个小椒的产业上发展也有较大的突破。
In the project, the company has teamed up with locals for contract farming of Chinese chili varieties, aiming to export the crops back to China after harvest and earn foreign exchange revenue for Pakistan.
在专业管理上这一块，我们是带来了一些前沿性的一些这个农业种植技术。同时呢，我们也培养了一批8方的这个员工，从技术管理、从种植管理等等，都有较大的提高。另外呢，也为巴基斯坦呢这个提供了一些劳动就业岗位。因为这个辣椒的种植呢，它是一个密集型产业，给巴基斯坦的这个生产一线的这些农民带来了一定可观的收入。
Mohammed Adnan, executive manager of the company, said that local farmers' interest in cultivating Chinese chili is increasing due to its better yield and strong resistance to diseases.
We provide them all the technical knowledge which is involved from the day one till the drying of chilies. We have received a very good response from farmers when they see chili in their fields on the plants. They become very happy because it's a very enormous, very big chili, and its color is very bright, red color, and it's usually not grown in Pakistan.
According to Adnan, primary and deep processing units for value-added services of the crop will also be established in Pakistan, adding more value and jobs for locals in the near future.